The co-prosecutor, you may resume your questioning.
Thank you, Mr. President. And Mr. Witness, before I end my questions, let me try one more subject with you. Again, this relates to the period where you had been sent to the East Zone in 1978. During that time that you were in the East Zone in 1978, did you witness any executions of persons who were connected to East Zone Secretary Sao Pim?
I did not see him.
No, I wasn't asking whether you saw Sao Pim. I was asking whether you witnessed or were aware of executions of people who were related or connected to him, his messenger, relatives. Were you aware, or did you witness any executions of people who had any connection to Sao Pim?
No, I never witnessed that. I was at the rear.
Let me then direct you to one additional excerpt from your DC Cam interview, E37535. Your Honors, this is at Khmer 000878838, English 003241184, French 003242226 through 27. This is what the DC Cam transcript indicates you told them. Question: after Sao Pim was captured, did they start cleansing campaign by capturing? Answer: yes, they started cleansing all Sao Pim's links. Question: did they cleanse by calling to be educated or other ways? Answer: some were taken to kill, especially those who were actively involved. Question: did you see all those things? Answer: yes, I saw them killing people. Question: where? Answer: at Krum. Question: how did they kill? Answer: the Southwest forces killed Sao Pim's wife and messengers. End of quote. Mr. Witness, did you witness executions of Sao Pim's messenger or the wife?
No, I did not witness it. How can I say I did? I was at the rear, as I said.
Why did you tell DC Cam that you saw Southwest forces killing people?
When did I say that? No, I did not know anything about that.
Your Honors, I have no further questions from this witness.
Thank you, Deputy Co-Prosecutor. I'd like to hand the floor now to the lead co-lawyers for civil parties to put questions to the witness.
Monsieur le Président, nous...
Thank you, Mr. President. We have no questions.
Deputy Co-Prosecutor, you have the floor.
Yes, the only other thing I wanted to ask the court is in view of the fact that some assertions were made by defense counsel before we went into closed session, I think at some point the public should be informed of the results of the inquiry in closed session. I don't think there was anything confidential during that, but I think it's important the public be informed of what the witness said in response to the questions from the bench.
What was the purpose of the closed session then? I mean, closed session is a closed session.
Well, the purpose was to figure out or to determine the facts that allow us to decide whether we go in closed session or not.
I understand, but you cannot promise him that whatever is being said during closed session will stay in a closed session, and then because the answers, for whatever reason, are unsatisfactory, then not keep that promise to him anymore.
I'm not sure where the word satisfactory or unsatisfactory comes in, but I think in a very general way it's permissible to say, and I'm doing this to inform the public, that the witness confirmed that he hasn't been approached by anybody or threatened by anybody before or during this statement, and I'll leave it as that.
Well, so much for promising a witness that nothing will be said from a hearing.
This cannot possibly be negative for him.
President, I now hand the floor to the defense team for Kiel Sampon.
Pas de questions, Monsieur le Président.
We have no questions, Mr. President.
Thank you, Counsel. The hearing or testimony of Suisa is now concluded, and Mr. Suisa, the Chamber is grateful of your testimony as a witness for one full day. You may now be excused. Court officer, please work with Risu to make arrangement to transport this witness back to his residence or wherever he wishes to go through. The Chamber adjourns the proceedings now and will resume on Monday, 22nd August 2016, commencing from 9 o'clock in the morning. On Monday, the Chamber will hear testimony of witness through TCW 850 via video conference from Udor Myenche province in relation to internal purchase segment. This information is for the parties and the general public. Security personnel, you are instructed to take Kiel Sampon and Noon Chi back to the detention facility and have them return to attend the proceeding on Monday, 22nd August 2016. The court is now adjourned.